Hello beautiful people, Melly Mel here coming at you with another video. If you're interested, stay tuned.
Welcome to the Melly Show, the Melly Show, the Melly Show. Welcome to the Melly Show. Kick back, enjoy the ride.
For people, it's time to do a little talking now, I guess. We went through all those snapshots of pictures of getting the recipe together. And it was my pleasure indeed to have you hang out with me today. It wasn't a tutorial, but if I was able to inspire you to try something new, I'm glad that I was able to do that. I'm going to show you the final results. And it smells so good, if I must say so myself. Well, again, it has been a pleasure to have you hang out with me today in my kitchen. Look forward to seeing you soon. See you next time. Bye-bye.